There have been little paw feet walking on our doorstep.
Yeah, I don't know if this is a good idea, but I'll give it a try.
Why don't you try going around that way? Did they do the sidewalk here yet?
No.
Here comes Grandmama, braving the snow. I don't even have a pair of boots, so... Careful, Mama. Do you want a cane? My cane? Do you want to turn back and get my cane?
No, I got my slippers. I just looked up there.
She's her mother's daughter, that's for sure. Tough as nails. There goes my mama, getting the mail and the newspaper. In the distance you can hear the guys running the sidewalk machines. This is more snow than I've seen in a decade. Go, Mama, go. All that just for the paper. I should have given her my cane at least. God love you. I love you so much, Mama. There's Mimi's house over there. I can't tell, but it looks like my niece. Today's Saturday, so I don't know if she went to work or not.
Did it?
God bless you, Mom. And there are your footprints beside the little paw prints.
Oh, yes. Oh. Wow.
Do you think that was, whose footprints were those?
That's Ash's. She went that way and then came back the same way. Doubled them over.
Poor little critter.
Yeah. It wasn't too bad until I got where they plowed and they made a little bank.
Right.
So that was up over my boots.
Poor baby.